Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the cordless carpet cleaner by Fanttik. This is the Textra 11 Apex. So let's take a look. So inside it comes with the carpet cleaner unit. You get a cleaning solution, the nozzle, the USB-C charging cable, and the user manual. Briefly going over some specs, this has an LED display. This is a cordless design. It has a self-cleaning cap to quickly rinse the nozzle and the hose. Long battery life, up to 15 minutes on low mode and 26 minutes on high mode. The dirty tank water capacity is 700 milliliters and the clean water tank capacity is 900 milliliters. Charging time of 3 to 4 hours, and it weighs in at 8.27 pounds. So taking a look at the unit, it has a nice handle on the top. Again, fairly light at about 8 pounds. The top, you have the LED display, power button, and then your mode. So you can switch it from low to high. And then looking at the tank on the left side, this is your clean water. You have a mark here to put the clean water up to this line, and after that you add formula to that line. And then you got the dirty water tank on the right side. So removing it, you just pull like so. And then you're able to pull this part on the dirty water tank side, and then you can empty it out. The hose is kept nicely. It just wraps around the bottom here, and then on the back it clips on. So it stores very neat. And it's a pretty long hose, as you can see. And then you have the attachment. There's a cap here. So you can see the brush, and then you have 4 holes that will spray the solution. So hooking it up to the hose, fairly easy. Just line it up, click into place, and that's it. And then you have the trigger here that will allow the solution to come out. So I'm going to go ahead and fill it up with water and some of the solution, and then we'll test it out. Okay, so I filled up the clean water side here. I got the water to the mark, and then I put some formula. Then we got this rug. We'll just test it out. I'm going to remove the cover here. So turning it on, just hold it down. You can see it's at 100%. If I press this button, that will switch to the high mode and low mode. So we'll go ahead and start with the high. We'll put it on low mode for now. And then you'll see as I press the trigger, the solution coming out of the 4 holes. So there you go. See the solution. And then I'll just go ahead and scrape it here. Again, this is on low. You can see the suction here for the solution. And this is on low, so there's a good suction there. I'll switch over to high. So you can see here, I got this portion wet. And then you can see it getting all the solution. And of course you can agitate it. It has that brush, so if you want to scrub it a little bit more, you can do so. Another neat feature here, it has this cap, so you can put it on like so, and then it has a self-cleaning function. So if you turn it on, press the trigger, it's gonna spray the solution and it's gonna clean out the hose. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. And then you can see I'm pressing it. The solution is getting sucked in, and it's cleaning the brush and the hose. So this is something you would do once you're done, doing the carpets or upholstery or whatever you're cleaning. And then you can see the solution, the dirty side here, filling up as I'm cleaning it. So that's a look at the Fanttik Textra 11 Apex cordless carpet cleaner. Very versatile unit in my opinion, lightweight, portable, and of course, you know, it's cordless and you can take it anywhere. Perfect for indoors if you want to spot clean, you know, upholstery, rugs, or carpet. And of course, you can take it outdoors and clean your car. So I've left a link in the description box below if you want to check it out.